Welcome to our video tutorial. Today, we'll guide you through a step-by-step process for creating merchant accounts and accepting payments for your events fast and easy through our platform. Go to Event Setup and Ticket Types. At the top right, choose Payment Methods. Click Add and select Add Merchant/Manage Payments. On this page, select Add Merchant at the top right. Then, click on the payment method you want to add. Enter the required information based on your payment method choice. When you're done, press Save. Go to the previous page and click Add at the top right. Add the merchant account we created. Activate your preferred payment method for your event, and you are all set. Add as many payment methods as you want for each of your events. So, now you know how to create merchant accounts and accept payments for your events, fast and easy through our platform. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check our guides for more tips.